Bunde manage m taking kwa mo na unu ma ihe na akpọtụ kemgbe 2 days ago na Ifeanyi Ubah imago na alụlụ n'ụka. Now I've come to say my own opinion. Imana mgbe ha nwere trend, like I said, I've not been around. Imaga na achụ ego new year, imana akaba new year, but so everywhere Canada go gara. We're trying to put the record and know to set the record straight without also not avoiding our primary objective, which is to dish out the truth to the people and also share my own opinion regarding a lot of things in today in our society. So before we forge ahead to EML during this week, Maka Ifeanyi Ubah dedication and all those things, because like I said, if you are not here to watch our video, to subscribe, to share, and also Imago to air your opinion, please stop reporting our videos. Please and please, I beg you. Abone imam biki reporters in here. Video ne post but now me post here just for one particular set of people. And me post a video makando men and andodina and ndajo Christians and ndajo pastors and everything that has to touch with all human life and our existence as Ndi Igbo. And I make sure that gineme nambia na communicating my message in Igbo. Konyo buna we weke na gota ihe neko. Man of recent I have come to realize that now during the last year I've been taking note of ndina sky neko some things na English. That is why I created a playlist on this channel that will make anything that has to do with English too. So I will be diving much later and I will be digressing to some part in English. So each in anything that has to do with English, each in that playlist or any money post on that playlist has to do with English alone. So it will also help about our English audience to also understand that now here we are here to dish out the truth, because imagine despite in all those things when they na gota so I've been taking that note during the comment section and all those things. I have been monitoring. So this year we will not do much on it because this is our starting point. I when I say but the little we can do. So because if those video in English, if you don't like it, because apart from there, and if you like it, also watch, because most of them comes with subtitle. It takes a lot of effort to bring those videos out for people to watch. So because like I said, subscribe and also don't forget to like our video and drop your comments in the comment section. Now let's talk about him during the week now about Ifeanyi Ubah. I've seen a lot of videos on Ifeanyi Ubah and that church. My truth in Choliko with two-edged sword. My truth in Choliko with two-edged sword. So you may like it and you may not like it. Now the truth is, let me start by saying something. Bible made me to understand that he will raise stones to worship him. Our greatest prayer during the week, my greatest prayer on earth is not to be replaced by God. That God should not replace me with Osisi or Okute. Because if God happens to replace you with Osisi or Okute, your time on earth is done. And the anything nobody in a man no noka, more than Ezioku. The reason why many of us get hurt and leave the church, just like our brother said in his speech, and I'm also calling because our brother, it happened at the church. I'm not that in a be him with it, and it makes a lot of people walk out from the church. When your faith in faith is being tested, not the church. So because do my brother, iwe no akagime ewigidoko dajuo. This is a call for everybody. Na ina ga church again ime mama na eziokwu. And the truth is, even if the whole Nigeria and Ndi Igbo refuse to go to church, God is not to move, and that alone is what makes God God. That in Ifo is what makes God God on himself. He is God by himself. Onye na-eke mmadụ na nwere onye kelia. He is God by himself, and that is the capital truth in all of these things. Man, let us dive into the truth is, growing up in the village, in a church in our village, St. Michael, by that church, it took me time to realize that na afande mother and then those GSR, but afande donate. If afande mother can be written on the GS of Ndi Donatilia, what then happens to somebody who now brought his resources to roof the house of God? Because you watch our videos late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. He was talking about roofing and to rebranding the church to American standard and to getting to stand the test of time. That roofing, and that roofing the equivalent to the roofing in a Dunamis church, without pillar and the roofing stand there. Without pillar and the roofing stand there. He also made mention of a tower that is close to 10-story building. A tower alolalo. Ona akọwala gị na ihe eji ebu block n'enu ebe ahụ bụ 500 naira per day. Check is that block eji welu a tower na ebe 500 naira per day, which means ịpụta, he said is n'ịpụta bụ 4 in a day. Ibugo 2,000 naira. Check is that no one na-ebu 10, 20 just to make ends meet, and people are paying for it. He made mention of amount of money I spent in that place. Now, I weapon instead of name na church, writing those epistles na the is not enough. The only thing that can that can bring out the emotional mad, because now emotions, our people, we are too emotional, that's the truth. And to make sure that emotion they down, to make sure that you subdue the emotions of people and to carry them along. People believe, most we hane believe in no nanti before you have fonanya. Obro madina ya gote ha edele na akwụkwọ. Man obuli ni ji microphone kwe no si biko tata I be dedicate here. Let us, despite the fact that other faithfuls that contributed also to it, let us also take a mic to do a 1 minute silence for late. That goes a lot in the minds of people. It goes a lot in the heart and in the minds of people. They will not forget. Mana ememoria. Bana, he was addressed in the process of Ikuoku in order to thank others. That was when his name was mentioned. And this thing also taught me a lot about Reverend Father Father Ubedike. It shows that a lot of people, a lot of the father and the bishop, they are well of this their social media war, hanano, because they are used to promote ihamankuna pulpit. So hapo hakahane. Father Ubedike started circulating a voice note saying that guy na night. Let me make it clear to you people. As I've amassed 6 good solid years in a church, nobody sacked me. Jimakam resign or but then I resign and I resign on Anjewe boy. That was what made me to stop coming. So Iman Iputich Imasim now resign as a altar boy and Iman Senacho Macho. Because in Jena buy your ID card Mkayafia. Mana, let us be sincere to ourselves. Father Ubedike is fighting a lost battle. These are the 2 topics and very, very sensitive. Father Ibido circulate your voice note saying that guy in a night. Unuchuli and a night, or we look a full night regalia way by church, nor in your midst, and you people left him. This is exactly the same thing which that lady chi sister na asagi na sister no reject go sister bolo onye uka alakoba. Unukule mwesi na ona abu uka alakoba manu people left her as a sister. Always mboku ya dabaru na sena achone ya. Wanunu kadimsini misili dismiss last week. Nali ya uno fona mother convert as a sister in your midst, and you people left her. Or can I move around with your properties and your sister and mom clothes? Unoka happier. For the Ubedike, this shows that Nehinonia is to protect and spread scandal against the Catholic Church. See, listen to me, Father Ubedike, and this is your own personal warning. Desist from here because even the online followers after we raise the damage control and to promote what is not worth it. Like I said, oku basatalo nyangulango and oku basatalo, and we also mention mother kwesiri diniti yono anyhow before it yono the very, very sensitive. So biko do kunu nene video, just take your time kigeze that voice note for the Ubedike na circulate. Why didn't they circulate that voice note? You watch when we post a video about that man before. More is the alarm of what this supposed to this thing make it. This man raised the alarm, yeah, like December or November. I could not find this video, man. That video, man. I'm fear. I would like to attach the screenshot now this video so that if you will go back and watch that video. Keep on where is the alarm of what is to become. You know what I go now? That man bonite does not mean no more menana. I'm going out on the night ojo Sanahane occultic, but I have come here to severally, like I think the last time I posted a video about it, I made it clear that Nandi night I on the occultic because now it's about their regalia Hanejinaro, and I also made it clear that now it takes a lot to become a knight. Uno si na that man na night kedi ihe mo ka yile phone we bia full regalia ko yi we bia that very day with mma hunu nti na akoko. Uno chule na night suspend there. Why didn't you take away your clothes and everything from him? Because see this stay from him then I spread us. Ihe na maroko si we bido and no ku onye nwala anwu. Be very sensitive na eti yon. Ko dikwa no mbozo ndi bai.
Biko umunna n'ime Jesu Kristi. Afamu bụ Right Honorable Chevalier Peter Anazodo, onye isi odibo nke Onitsha Provincial Papa Knights and Medalist. Achọ nka mme ka o doo anyị anya ma ka o doo onye ọbụla anya na onye nunwa a na-akpọ James Okoye Jaru na-ekwughere ihe ndị ọ na-ekwu na atụse na ọnyanwụ udude bụ onye ọgọ mmụọ akụghọ mmiri. Ọ na-eje bụ ụka mana o merụ kwuo kọtọ ụka banye ọgọ mmụọ. Ndị Night of Semulumba suspend kwuziri ya. Ọ kpachara anya yile akwa wee bịaba tata. O nwere oche nya ọbụla onye otu ndị Semulumba anymore for quite a long time. Nya na Ifeanyi Ubah nwere oge Ifeanyi Ubah ndụ ọ na-eme politics. Mana emesịara Ifeanyi chụọ ya maka ife gara gburugburu dị ya na-arụ. Nke merụ na o bidoro ọ chụchara ya okwọtọba Ifeanyi. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-esonye na ọnyanwụ udude ị ga-afụ ebe okwu dekwara oge Ifeanyi nwụsịara ọsị sie n'ikwo n'ozu Ifeanyi n'ọbụ mmụọ butiwurie n'alụsị itiwurie si buru eji edosa n'alụsị na Ifeanyi ahụ eme na nzu na o mere nke a mee nke a kọtọsịcha Ifeanyi dee kwuo n'ọnụ. Onya ka o ruo tata ọkanyụrụ bịaba n'ụlọ ụka bịa na-ekwugherikwa ihe ndị ọ na-ebịa na-ekwukwe na ụdị na na-emere Ifeanyi Ubah ebere. Ihe ahụ ife o tinyere ka o were na-adọrọ mkpụrụ obi were adoje n'okwu arụsị ya maka na o nwere okwu arụsị na be ya. Onye ndị Ojukwu uru agụ Nnewi. So biko ka anyị neghalụ ife o na-ekwu anya. Ọ bụ onye ọgọ mmụọ eri oge. Ọ chọrọ ichele akwa ya agba ọkụ wụsịa ya. Ọ ka ji a confuse ndị mmadụ na-edeceive ndị mmadụ na-akpagharị ndị mmadụ anya. Ihe a ka m chọrọ ime ka anyị mata biko nụ daalụ nụ.